In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color on Google Sites in just about 5 minutes. Now let's dive right into this simple tutorial to spruce up your website with a fresh look. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Sites, and to do so just simply sign in. Start by clicking the sign in button visible right at the page's top corner. You'll be prompted to type in your email address. Go ahead and enter your credentials, then click next. Following that, you'll be asked to type in your password. Go ahead, punch that in and hit sign in. It's straightforward, but make sure your login information is ready to avoid any delays. Once you're successfully signed in, it's time to get to the core of today's tutorial. You'll be at the Google Sites homepage. If you have an existing site to edit, that's exactly what we are looking for. Next up, you're going to locate and click on your site. You'll see a list of any sites you've created or have permission to edit. Click on the one you wish to modify. This is your starting line for creativity. Choosing the right site will direct you towards the next major step in our process. After your site loads up, look for the theme option on the right hand side panel. Google Sites offer a variety of themes, and each theme has its own set of background colors and font styles. Click on theme and you'll see a selection palette presenting you with several options to choose from. Now it's time to choose the theme that aligns with the new background color you have in mind for your site. As you explore the themes, remember that each theme provides a unique ambience to your site, influencing how visitors perceive your content. So, take a moment, scroll through the available themes, and select the one that best fits your vision. Choosing a new theme will automatically apply the new background color associated with it. It's that simple, but take your time here. Consider the content of your site, the message it conveys, and how a color change might enhance or detract from it. Once you've made your selection, your site will instantly reflect this change, giving it a fresh new appearance. It's incredible how a small change, like adjusting the background color, can significantly impact the overall look and feel of your site. And just like that, you've successfully changed the background color of your Google site. Remember, Google Sites is a tool meant to be explored, so don't hesitate to experiment with different themes until you find the perfect match for your site. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Play around with different themes to give your site the perfect backdrop that complements your content and engages your visitors. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you get the most out of Google Sites.